Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install and set up Gboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. Click on Play Store app and search Gboard. And after searching Gboard, click on install and install Gboard. After install Gboard app, you will see Gboard app is showing on your app screen. Click on Gboard app. After click on Gboard app, click on enable and so turn on Gboard button. After enable Gboard, you will see click on settings app. Click on general management, keyboard, and Gboard is here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can install and set up Gboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.